In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all cells the same size in Google Sheets. Ensuring that your cells are uniform in size not only creates a more professional appearance, but also enhances readability, making it easier to navigate and analyze your data. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Sheets. Once you have your sheet open, we're going to jump right into making all the cells consistent in size. To select every cell in your spreadsheet, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This handy shortcut allows you to highlight all cells at once, preparing them for resizing. Next, let's focus on adjusting the width of the columns. Move your cursor to hover between two column headings. When you see the double-headed arrow appear, click and drag to adjust the width. This way, you can set all columns to be the same width by choosing a size that best fits your data or your preference. Once you've tackled the column widths, it's time to address the row heights. Similarly, hover between two row numbers along the side until you see the double-headed arrow again. Click and drag to set your desired height. Consistent row heights will help maintain that neat, uniform look across your spreadsheet. Now, if you wish to adjust specific columns, click on the header of the first column you want to resize. Hold down the Shift key and click the last column you want to adjust to select multiple columns at once. This technique can be particularly useful if you have certain sections of your spreadsheet that require different sizing. With your columns selected, right-click on any of the selected column headings. This opens a context menu with several options. Click on Resize Columns, your range here. This step allows you to precisely define the new width for these columns by typing in the value you prefer. After you set the columns, let's shift focus to the rows. Much like we did with columns, click on the row number of the first row you want to resize. Again, hold down the Shift key and select the last row you want to adjust. Right-click on one of the selected row numbers to open the context menu. Then choose Resize Rows, your range here, allowing you to input the height you desire. Here, you can input a specific value that suits your needs, ensuring all rows under that selection are uniformly sized. By following these clear and simple steps, you can ensure all your cells maintain a uniform appearance. This not only looks more professional, but can significantly aid in making your data analysis more straightforward and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.